Question 7. Variation in gene frequencies within populations can occur by chance rather than by natural selection. This is referred to as. So here again we think of the Hardy-Weinberg. The Hardy-Weinberg principle states three things, as is given in the NCERT, that the allelic frequencies in a population are stable and constant from generation to generation. That's the first one. Second is that the gene pool, which means the total genes or the total allelic frequencies in a population will remain constant. And the third is that the sum total of all the allelic frequencies is 1. The third line is important for us in numerical. That is, I think, a question comes on the numerical. We'll look at. Right now, we focus on these first two. So, what is they saying? What is it saying? That equilibrium means it will remain stable. So, the question here is variation in gene frequency, meaning Hardy-Weinberg principle has been deferred or altered. Like I said, we saw 5 factors. 5 factors for the alteration or difference in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Those 5 factors are gene migration, which can lead to gene flow. Gene migration हुआ तो थोड़े स्पीशीज इधर से उधर चले गए, उसमें जीन्स जो थे उन्होंने माइग्रेट कर दिया, and there was a flow of genetic material. That's what gene flow. So the word is very selfish. Then you come to genetic drift. Genetic drift is when by chance these frequencies change. So when the variation in the gene frequency or the allelic frequency, which is dominant and recessive, and this occurs due to chance, no possible reason that we can think of, that is when we refer it to as genetic drift. The answer to this question is genetic drift. The other 3 factors we already looked at. We saw mutation, we saw recombination, natural selection. So Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, very important concept. Please remember it. There's multiple MCQs. Question 7 पे आता है, variation in gene frequencies within populations can occur by chance rather than by natural selection. The natural selection भी एक cause बताया गया है to disturb the Hardy-Weinberg, but it can